Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys Poco M2 Pro camera performance after Miui 12 update. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout, so let's start the video. Poco M2 Pro comes with quite camera setup. First, 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture 26mm wide. Second, 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture. Third, 5 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro camera. And fourth, 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Poco M2 Pro main camera, you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 120fps, 240fps and 960fps Slo-Mo video. By the way, you looking for the best Gcam for your Poco M2 Pro? I am find the best Gcam for your Poco M2 Pro. So this video coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Poco M2 Pro comes with single 16 megapixel 2.5 aperture selfie camera. So today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.